Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew luau using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh taro leaves, which are crucial for that authentic flavor. For protein, choose 1 pound of pork shoulder or corned beef. We'll also use 2 cans of full-fat coconut milk for richness and aromatics like 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. Begin by thoroughly washing and finely chopping your 2 pounds of taro leaves. Next, take your 1 pound of pork shoulder and cut it into uniform 1-inch cubes. Mince 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Finally, open your 2 cans of full-fat coconut milk and set them aside. It's time to start cooking our delicious luau stew. In a large pot, sauté your minced onion, garlic, and ginger until they are fragrant, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Add the cubed pork and brown it thoroughly on all sides. Then, stir in the chopped taro leaves and cook until they wilt, about 10 minutes. Pour in the 2 cans of coconut milk and bring to a gentle simmer for at least 2 hours. To finish your luau stew, ensure the taro leaves are incredibly tender, almost melting. This indicates it's perfectly cooked. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Serve this rich, comforting stew warm, traditionally alongside fluffy steamed white rice. It's a hearty and satisfying dish, perfect for sharing with family and friends, offering a taste of the islands right in your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.